8 things Allah forbids in the Quran. Let's remember these not just because we avoid sin, but because leaving them brings peace inside and outside. Lying. Inna Allah la yahdi man huwa musrifun kadhab. Indeed, Allah does not guide one who is a transgressor and a liar. Backbiting.
ولا تجسسوا ولا يغتب بعضكم بعضا.
And do not spy or backbite each other. Being wasteful.
وكلوا واشربوا ولا تسرفوا.
And eat and drink, but be not excessive. Indeed, he likes not those who commit excess. Fornication.
ولا تقربوا الزنا إنه كان فاحشة وساء سبيلا.
And do not approach unlawful sexual intercourse. Indeed, it is ever an immorality, and is evil as a way. Arrogant.
ولا تمشي في الأرض مرحا.
And do not walk upon the earth arrogantly. Being stingy.
ومن يبخل فإنما يبخل عن نفسه.
And whoever withholds only withholds benefit from himself. Cutting family ties.
فهل عسيتم إن توليتم أن تفسدوا في الأرض وتقطعوا أرحامكم؟
So, would you perhaps, if you turned away, cause corruption on earth and sever your kinship? Consuming others' wealth unjustly.
ولا تأكلوا أموالكم بينكم بالباطل.
And do not consume one another's wealth unjustly. Let's remember, avoiding what Allah forbids is part of worship too, because true piety means staying away from what displeases Him.